Hey campers, this is the video for Saddleback Mountain. We're just west of Tonopah, Arizona. 3 and 4 bar LTE, excellent reception, outrageous number of digital TV channels, 55 or something. About 30 minutes away from any shopping that you need in Buckeye, Arizona. Nice little place. Enjoy. This is BLM 14-day. So you'll want to take exit 81 off of I-10. We're just west of Tonopah. If you were headed east, you'll take a right, and if you were headed west, you will take a left and come over the freeway. And you'll be on Seldom Road. And then you want to take this immediate right on Harquahala. We're going to go 5.5 miles on Harquahala. So I'll set my travel odometer and we'll go down 5.5 miles. So we're coming up on 5.5 miles. There's a sign for Centennial on the right and for Courthouse on the left. So we want to take the left on Courthouse Road. Going to those mountains right there. So officially, as soon as we cross this cattle guard, about 4.8 miles or so, that's all BLM there on the right side. So we'll go up here just a bit further. So I'm at 5.3 miles, and this is the first road after the cattle guard. 8209 it says, and there's a bulletin board, and the road is definitely passable for RVs. I see 4 or 5 of them back there, and we'll go on down the road to where I'm camped at 6 or 6.1, right in there. Last mile marker 13, and this is right at about 6 miles. Road 8210, and we'll have more video on this road. Over here. The roads off the paved road are 1 lane, narrow, but there looks like there's plenty of places to pull over in case you run into somebody. But it appears like there's just a bunch of these little spur roads going off, and we'll go up here and find out what they do at the top. Well, just on this short walk of 3 minutes from where I'm currently parked, I've passed 3 large sites, so there's no problem turning around or finding a site on this road. A lot of hiking up there. Looks nice. So there's an elevated center strip as we go up, but not too bad. And this is, of course, just the only road that I've tried, and there's lots of spur roads. So I think the best thing is to pull off, get a parking spot, and if you're here early enough, kind of check it out. As I go deeper or further up toward the mountain, it's getting more dense. The foliage is thicker and gives you a secluded feel, and I see more motorhomes than I could see from where I was, or from where I am camped currently. So toward the top there's a road perpendicular to the roads going up, and it looks like it goes for quite some ways. So ATV, mountain bike, motorcycle, Jeep. Looks like there's a lot of room for exploring. And I can see that it goes clear back there. And the other direction is, I can't get you right now because it's directly into the sun, but this road looks actually not too shabby, but definitely not for the light of heart. So I'm just on a small little mound at the top of this spur road that I'm on. Give you a little aerial view. That's where I'm camped. And then over to the west of me, 1, 2, 3, 4, I see 5 different rigs. So I didn't see that road when I was coming in. Lots of birds up here. I haven't got my binocs out to see what kind, but it's pretty nice. And you're right here for hiking. Whoops, let's go a little slower, make everybody dizzy and sick. There's a lot of hiking. And you can see there's a marked trail right there going up this small ravine. I'm going to catch the sun here in a minute. I'll keep it down if I can. There's a much nicer canyon just to the left of me where I'm standing. So there's lots of hiking. Nice place. So lots of views and hikes, and the wildlife is amazing. These are blister beetles. They produce a substance that will cause you to blister. And we're in this Harquahala Valley. Looks like a lot of hay, big hay country. Got some bees that got so much pollen he can't even hardly fly from flower to flower. And we are in Maricopa County now, so here's a phone number if you want more information. Phoenix would be the headquarters.